What if I told you that it's possible to turn just $100 into $1 million? It may sound like a dream, but with the right mindset, strategies, and a bit of patience, it's achievable. Building wealth isn't about starting with a massive fortune. It's about making smart decisions with what you have and letting time and compounding work their magic. In this guide, we'll explore practical ways to grow your wealth, starting with as little as $100. Step 1. Adopt the right mindset. Your journey from $100 to $1 million begins in your mind. Think long-term. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on strategies that grow your money steadily over time. Embrace consistency. Small, consistent efforts add up. Even a modest amount invested regularly can yield massive returns. Take calculated risks. Fear of failure can hold you back. Educate yourself, weigh the risks, and take steps to maximize returns. Step 2. Invest in education first. Before making financial decisions, invest in yourself. Learn the basics of investing. Familiarize yourself with concepts like stocks, bonds, index funds, and compound interest. Follow experts and read books. Dive into wealth-building classics like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham or Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Understand risk management. A smart investor knows how to minimize losses while maximizing gains. Step 3. Start small and let compounding work. Compounding is the secret ingredient to turning $100 into $1 million. Example, invest in an index fund. If you invest $100 in an index fund with a 10% annual return and add $100 monthly, you could have over $1 million in about 40 years. Reinvest your earnings. Always reinvest dividends and interest to accelerate your growth. Stay consistent. The key is to invest regularly even when market conditions seem unfavorable. Step 4. Explore high-growth opportunities. Your $100 can grow faster when you identify high-potential investments. Start with stocks. Consider investing in well-researched growth stocks. Platforms like Robinhood or Webull allow you to start with small amounts. Invest in cryptocurrencies. Cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum can yield significant returns but require careful research due to their volatility. Look into real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul allow you to invest in real estate projects with as little as $100. Step 5. Build multiple streams of income. Diversifying your income is key to reaching the $1 million mark faster. Start a side hustle. Use your $100 to launch a small business or service, such as freelancing or selling products online. Monetize your skills. Create digital products like ebooks or online courses to generate passive income. Invest in dividend stocks. Dividend-paying stocks provide regular payouts that can be reinvested to grow your portfolio. Step 6. Scale up gradually. As your wealth grows, so should your strategies. Increase your investments. As you earn more, increase your monthly contributions to your investment accounts. Leverage compounding returns. Focus on investments with steady, reliable growth to accelerate your progress. Network and learn. Surround yourself with financially successful people to gain insights and opportunities. Step 7. Stay disciplined and avoid pitfalls. Building wealth requires avoiding common financial mistakes. Resist impulse spending. Every dollar you spend on non-essentials is a dollar that could be growing your wealth. Beware of get-rich-quick schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to proven strategies. Stay the course. Markets fluctuate, but consistency and discipline are your best allies in wealth building. Step 8. Celebrate milestones, not the finish line. While the $1 million goal is exciting, celebrate smaller wins along the way. Acknowledge progress. Whether you've saved your first $1,000 or hit a 20% return, take time to appreciate your achievements. Reassess your goals. As you grow, your financial priorities may shift. Adjust your strategy to align with your evolving aspirations. Turning $100 into $1 million may seem like a daunting task, but it's entirely possible with the right strategies and a commitment to long-term growth. By investing in yourself, taking advantage of compounding, exploring diverse opportunities, and staying disciplined, you can achieve financial success beyond your dreams. Remember, the most important step is the first one. Start today, and your journey to $1 million begins now.